Let's look at the Ndebele migration. When the Ndebele found that, when Musilikazi and his group and his Kumalo people found that they could no longer stay close to Chaka or with Chaka, in 1822, they crossed the Drakensberg mountain. And between 1822 and 1823, they moved until they reached a place which they called Ekuphumuleni. They called it Ekuphumuleni because they just thought they were going to rest for a while and proceed. While in that place, they continued to raid weaker states around them, and this brought them more cattle, and more men joined them, and these were integrated into the group. Now, Ekuphumuleni was not very good because it was too close to Chaka. And there were also other groups such as the Pedi who continued to threaten the Ndebele by fighting them. The area also had poor grazing lands. Remember, the Ndebele had cattle, especially after the 1823 to 1824 drought. And because it was a resting place, the Ndebele decided to move. As they were moving, they were joined by other groups, including the Sutu, the Lodlo, the Pondo, and some Swazi people, because these people also wanted to be protected from Chaka, and Mzilikazi appeared to be able to offer them such protection. Luckily, the Sutu were good farmers, and the Ndebele were good cattle keepers, and they combined their skills. And this formed the basis of a very strong Ndebele economy, where they did cattle keeping as well as crop growing. So they left Ekuphumuleni and moved to another area.